Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno7, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me is right here, personal hotspot. That's the exact name here. Once you locate it, which I believe it should be in the same place for you, which is on the second page, first spot. Once you find it, hold the toggle. This will take you to the settings, where you can then select hotspot settings and start off by changing the password. As you can see, the password right here is just randomly generated, so I recommend simply removing this one and setting your own password. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, as you can see right here, at which point you will be able to save it. And you can also change a couple additional settings right here. If you know what they do, you can read exactly what they do if you are interested. But for a majority of the people that don't really know what these are, I just recommend keeping the settings as they are. They basically work best for virtually everybody, so you don't have to mess around, and you have no option that basically some device might not function correctly with these settings. Anyway, once you change all the settings right here, make sure that you select that save button in the checkbox. Otherwise, if you just go back, the changes will be reverted and nothing will be changed. Now, once you have changed the settings, you can close this, and you don't actually have to come back here ever again. And whenever you want to use your hotspot, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and there you go. It is now enabled and it can connect to your hotspot. Once you're done with it, tap on it again to turn it off. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.